We've just acquired this lovely looking BMW. It's the 320 diesel. It's the M Sport model, the M Sport. It's in gleaming white. It's in fantastic condition. Rear privacy glass. Park distance control. There's a larger rear diffuser for the M Sport and the M Sport body styling kit. Pirelli tyres all the way around. Boot area is in lovely condition. Full black leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Black leather sports seats. Automatic headlights, satellite navigation. It's done, bear with me, how many miles it done? 93,263 miles. Aircon's blowing nice and cold. You've got the full 3-stage heated seats. Satellite navigation. Full media pack, telephone, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, I'll say again. That back, park distance control, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, aux and a USB, different driving styles, modes of driving it. Really is in lovely condition. Just check something here, vehicle information, vehicle status, service requirements. As you can see, service history is all on the iDrive, plus we've just done it as well. DJH for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.